Hi everyone, my name is Hasrianti and today I would like to share my impression of the article I have just read, which discusses the fundamental differences between British English and American English. This article is very enlightening because it shows that the differences are not only about accents but also include language conventions, vocabulary, and even cultural values. The first thing I clearly understood is the difference in language use conventions, especially in spelling. The most obvious example is the use of OU in British English, such as color, humor, which becomes O in American English, such as color, humor. In addition, British English tends to use as in recognize, while American English prefers Z, recognize. There are also differences in endings, such as re, British English, such as center, middle, which become in American English, such as center, middle. In short, British English spellings often look longer or more classical compared to American English. This article also explains the difference in date formats. In British, the order is day, month, and year. Example, the 19th of September 1973, while American English uses month, day, year. For example, September 1973. Another interesting part is the use of quotation marks. British English usually uses single quotation marks, while American English uses double question marks. Moreover, American English always places periods and commas inside the quotation marks, while British English places them outside unless the punctuation is part of the quoted material itself. The difference in vocabulary is probably the most familiar one. For example, British English uses holiday, while American English uses vacation, or film in British English and movie in American English. In terms of grammar, I learned the American English tends to be more relaxed. For example, British English commonly says, I've got two tickets, while American English can also say, I got two tickets. The use of gotten is also a special feature of American English, which is rarely used in British English except in certain expressions. The last part I understood is how these differences are also influenced by the cultural values of each country. For instance, British English has metaphors from sports like football and cricket, while American English uses baseball metaphors such as in the ballpark. Furthermore, British English tends to react more slowly to new words, sometimes being more vague, while American English is more enthusiastic, direct, and uses more slang. American English also has a tendency to lengthen words to make them sound more important. For example, transport becomes transportation. In conclusion, this article taught me that choosing between British English and American English is not about which one is correct, but about consistency and audience purpose. So that's my impression of the article. I hope it's useful and informative. Thank you.